Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Leo and I'm here today to introduce our latest Create and Make launch. This is the Festive Frames and Baubles die set. This amazing Create and Make launch to show you today. Now I know a lot of you have been spying this on the weekenders and have been very interested, so I'm really looking forward to showing you the die set and exactly what you can create with this. So here we have our little Create and Make die set, super cute size, and of course, because this is coming directly from us, you will also get your double-sided magnetic sheet and wallet ready to put it straight into a binder. Love that, storage built in. So here is our die set, the Festive Frames and Baubles. You've got some inspiration on the front and on the back, of course, as well. And you can see all of the dies that you get in here. We do also have full instructions inside the die packet for you as well. So here is what we get in this month's Create and Make. Now it looks fairly simple, and that's because it is, honestly. This is all you need to make this lovely 3D bauble. So you have this large piece here that makes like a little wedge, and you literally just make five of those, and stick them together, and that makes your bauble. You then have this piece here that you can see it's got like a little dimple at one end, and then this Christmas tree at the top, and that actually slots into this piece and kind of gives you that curved shape. And you have a couple of options for patterns as well. So we've got just a very simple crisscross kind of stringy pattern almost. We've got a beautiful cut and deboss holly as well, and this is going to make a great lantern for you if you wanted to put lights inside of this. And then we also have a little scene that you can hopefully just about see here. So we've got a Christmas tree and kind of like a little deboss snowdrift down here. And then you have some clouds and stars cut out into the top. And what you can do is, using the verso edge that we have for this, you can actually cut this scene into your outer piece. You can layer them up, and then you can actually see again into your bauble. You do have a second Christmas tree that you can add in as well, or you can layer it up on here. And then you've got this little standing piece here that actually sits inside, so you can kind of layer up your Christmas trees inside the scene. A couple of bits then to finish it off. We've got these two little star hangers, so you can hang those from the top as a tag. You can hang them from the base if you want like something hanging from it, and we have some holly leaves as well, so you can add a little bit of holly to make it more festive if you want to. So let me show you the couple of makes that we did for the packaging, so you can see those close up. I'm going to leave that here so I can remind myself where they are. On the front of the tree, of course they are. So here is the first one. Now Cam, you're going to have to tell me there. No, it's somewhere here, isn't it?
It's very
close to me. That's unusual. Okay, so here is our first bauble. So this one, hopefully you can just about see, has been cut in. So it is open in the back all the way through here, and it has been double layered as well. So you've just got that little edge showing behind the green, a little bit of gold there just showing through. And then on this one, Alison has just added that little sprig of holly just here attached to the ribbon as well. So that is the first one, looking beautiful. The next one then that we had on the packaging is this one. So this one we've actually added the frame inside here. There we go. So hopefully you can now see those little Christmas trees just inside of that little scene in here. So this cuts right the way into that wedge, and what we actually did with this one was we lined it with silver mirror card just inside, so hopefully you can just about see that in there. And then we've got those little star hangers at the bottom, and then we added on a couple of little snowflakes as well. just to finish that one off. And then we did also add a second colour of that Christmas tree just to really highlight that little feature on the top. And this one then has that very simple kind of crisscrossy pattern around the other sides, like so. And then I think we did one more for the packaging. Hold on, let me just double check. Am I misremembering? No, maybe it was just the two. I'm misremembering. So let's have a look at what the rest of the design team did then, because they have gone pretty much full Christmas on all of them. So starting with this one, which is from Ruth. If I can get it off the tree. Here it is. So for this one, Ruth has gone for a nice white base. And again, we've got that lovely holly pattern cut in all the way around. This time in our satin mirror cut. That's a nice flourishing green going on there. And then some red drops just to pick out the holly berries. And you can see those little green Christmas trees have been added onto the top on there as well. Very, very pretty. Thank you for that one, Ruth. I've got one here. This one is from... Uh-oh. I have no name on this. So if this is yours, please claim it. I'm checking everywhere now just to make sure that I'm not missing. But no, I definitely have no name on this one. So this one has a solid layer. I don't know if we're going to be able to catch this one. Yeah, you're getting it. There we go. So we've got some majestic gold pearlescent card behind, then the pattern cut out in gold glitter, which I'm really liking. It looks really awesome on there. Just with those little extra holly leaves added on. And then some glittery Christmas trees as well. Really, really pretty. Thank you very much. Again, please do claim that if that is yours. I'd love to know. Ooh. It's like when you're balancing the Christmas tree, you're trying to find the bauble that doesn't make the branch sag completely. Okay, I have one here from, this one is from Philomena. Yes, it is from Philomena. Okay, and I really love this one. So what Philomena has done is actually use that little star hanger on a tag from the top. And she's cut this one in peer view. And again, we've got a solid background this time. And that lovely holly pattern cut in a gold satin mirror card on there. Very, very pretty. Thank you for that one, Philomena. Moving on then, I've got one here from Christine. And Christine's actually made this into a little shaker, which I don't think I'm going to be able to show you at all without it all going everywhere. But inside here, I don't know if you can just see all of that confetti that is in there. Very, very cute. So she's actually cut that little frame, but then put acetate behind it so that she can encase the confetti in there. And then again, lots of red and green and gold with that lovely crisscross pattern panel on the side. Very, very cute. Thank you for that, Christine. Moving onward, I've got another one here from Ruth, stuck on the tree. This one then has that little scene in every single little notch, and you can see we've got a Pew Pew card on here. We've got some Inca Gold iridescent mirror card, and I absolutely love this. And Ruth has even hung the little star in each of those scenes as well, just hanging above the trees there. Very, very cute. I really, really like that one. Thank you so much, Ruth. Very, very pretty. Okay, I think we are getting through them. Which ones have I not done? This one. Oop, if I can get it off the tree. This one is from, also no name. Oh, you're going to have to claim these guys. You need to name your projects so we know who they're from. So this one has gone very Candy Cane Christmas. So we've got again that little scene with the trees just in that side. And I have it again just around here as well. So it is repeated. And then some of that lovely candy cane patterned paper as well. And you can see the little star hanger on every segment just hanging from the bottom there too. Very, very cute. So if you're into your kind of pink and girly Christmas, that one is definitely for you. I think I have two more Christmassy ones. So this one is from Philomena. And this one is using our Timeless Tidings paper. So we've got the little scene just in the front. And then you can see that Timeless Tidings paper. And this is some of the 8x8 stacks. It's actually got the foiling just on that paper as well. And then we also have some of those patterned panels. So it really has a little bit of everything going on this one. Very, very cute. Beautiful. Thank you very much, Philomena. And then the last of the Christmassy ones, I've got another one here from Christine. And we've gone kind of purple this time, so probably your mum would like this one, Cam. Be good for her tree, right? So Christine has gone with that holly panel on the side. And again, instead of cutting it in, she's actually layered it up onto a solid background. And then just some little silver... Yeah, it is silver. Silver holly leaves and some glitter drop berries on there. And then we've got those little stars hanging from the bottom as well. Very, very cute. I really like that one. Thank you so much, Christine. And then we do have one more, and I love this. So we always talk about, you know, trying to make your dies go a little bit further and using them for other things. So after Christmas is over, what about making just a cute little pomander or like a Chinese lantern? So I've got no name on this again, so if this is yours, please do claim it in the comments below so we can credit you appropriately. But this one is just using some of our Dusky Rose paper, I think. It looks like it, doesn't it? Dusky Rose patterned paper, just some really nice satin mirror card on there as well. And then just lots of those little snowflake die cuts just on the base, on that piece of ribbon. Very, very cute. I do think you could probably fill this with potpourri or something and just hang it up as like a little pomander. So not just for Christmas, it doesn't have to be just a festive bauble, it could be a decorative item as well for you for the rest of the year. So that is our create and make for this month. This die set is available now from our website. So in the UK that is £14.99 and in the US it is $14.99, and like I said, that does include your magnetic sheet and wallet for you. Of course, that does mean if you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber that you will also get your TCK discount on this, so a further 10% off for you. You know, add it into your basket, maybe add a couple more things while you're there. Why not? You might as well bump it up. In the UK at least, and definitely get over free shipping, because why would you not? You can also pay in installments on our website if you need to, using Shop Pay, PayPal and Klarna. And the most important thing, if you do pick this up and make anything with it, don't forget to tag us in your makes. We would love to see how you decide to use this amazing little create and make die set. Are you going to go full festive? Are you making decorations for the tree? Are you making something to hang in the window maybe? Or a display to go over your Christmas table? Do let us know. You can post those over in the Tonic Studios official Facebook group, or we are across social media, basically everywhere. We are at Tonic Studios, and you can use the hashtag #ShowTonic to show us what you have been making. If you have enjoyed this video and you love this create and make, please do give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell. Ding! And you'll be notified every time we post a new video and when we go live so that you don't miss out. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you all again very soon. Happy crafting!